I'm talking today to Dari Okoudjou, who is the CEO of MFS Africa.
Yep.
Dari, what does the company do?
We essentially provide financial services through mobile to mobile users in emerging markets, especially Africa. We focus at the moment on 4 main services: insurance, credit, savings, and international transfers. And we work primarily through mobile because of the existing user base, of course, but because mobile technology provides the opportunity to radically lower the distribution cost and expand the market for these services.
So which operators are you doing these services with?
We working with MTN primarily across multiple markets. We also working with another big group of networks, which I can name yet, across multiple markets in Africa. And besides, we also have a relationship with people like MCell in Mozambique and few other smaller networks in the countries.
Okay, and describe how I would, for instance, get life insurance on a mobile phone. How does it work?
All right, if you go to Ghana today, actually, and you are on MTN network, and you are a registered mobile money user, all you have to do is to dial a short code, it's *165#, and you will be presented with a menu that allows you to pick between 4 different levels of cover. The smaller ones is 400 Ghana cedi, which will be on roughly about $300, which will cover 2 lives for 1 Ghana cedi a month, which is about 70 cents, US cents. And it goes all the way to 2,000, I think 2,000 for 5 and 4,000 for 10. And so you just dial that short code, you pick the one that you want. You are requested to enter your mobile money PIN to confirm that you're actually buying and accepting the terms and conditions, and that's it. Your policy is created. There is an automatic debit that will run on your mobile money account, and every month the premiums are collected. It is a monthly insurance, so which we model really onto the pay-as-you-go model. So if you pay for the insurance this month, you are covered. If you don't pay for next month, you're not covered, but you're not lapsing. So we're not trying in month 3 to recover your insurance premium on month 3 of month 2, which allows us to keep people on the book even if they're going through the up and downs of
their lives,
of cash flow.
And what do you know about the people who are buying the insurance?
We're starting to dig into the data. A couple of things that we see now is like people who pay consistently for a number of months. The cutoff seems to be around 3. Continue to pay, but a large number pay for the first month, but don't pay the next month, and maybe will pay again 5 months after. And it's quite hard to say if they completely understand the product and how it works, and those premiums that we're collecting, is it because they really wanted it, or they happen to have money on the day we're doing the deduction? So we are digging into the data and talking to the customers to understand a bit better those patterns at the moment.
So what is the future of these services? I mean, you're talking life insurance and credit. What other kinds of things might be added on? That
I think the possibilities are quite wide. You know, we can, and we've been actually approached by companies collecting investments.
Sort of savings,
but linked to some stock market type of return, because now we can afford to collect $1 a day. We have the cost structure to collect $1 efficiently, so it can open up the savings and investment market, and we're seeing that quite as a real possibility, as a real market. But there are other things that are very close to our heart in which we want to venture, which is more health insurance, where we believe that we have solved call it the demand side of things, the user part, how we create the policy, how we interact with the user and things like that. The hardest part now is on the supply side of it, which is the doctors, the hospitals, and we're having series of conversations with players in that space who are willing to try and probably gonna take some trial and error to get it right. But I believe the 2 key things that will drive it is the fact that the cost curve is absolutely low.
Yeah.
And the base is there to make the number, which is the subscriber base to mobile.
So in effect, you'd have a kind of prepay health service.
Absolutely. That's kind of where we're going, where you can, functioning through vouchers and redemption systems with the doctors. You could potentially bring a bit of, tighten up a bit the loopholes that everybody is worrying about when it comes to health insurance. Not there yet, but we're working on it.
Darry, good luck with it and good to talk to you.
Thank you.